Imagine being arrested for crimes you didn't commit and spending 22 years in prison, cut off from your family, your dreams, and everything you built. This is not fiction, it is the heartbreaking story of Sonny Bharadia, who is an Indian origin immigrant wrongfully convicted after his stolen car was used in a crime. Despite clear evidence proving his innocence, flawed investigations and bias kept him locked away for over 2 decades. Let's see how it all started. Sonny was just 27, working hard, planning his future and living a simple life. One day, he lent his car to a friend who vanished, and days later, police found the vehicle at a crime scene and without any proper investigation, accused Sonny of serious crimes like burglary, assault, and kidnapping. He also protested, showed proof, but his skin color and background became enough for suspicion. It was post 9/11 America, and his identity overshadowed the truth. But why this matters for Indians? Well, this story hits close to home for many Indians and other immigrants. Like Sonny, countless people come to the US seeking better opportunities, contributing to communities, and following the rules. Yet, even minor past mistakes or simply belonging to a certain community can lead to unjust treatment. It is a stark reminder that immigration systems, however efficient they appear, can be vulnerable to bias, outdated procedures, and harsh policies, especially in times of political fear or social unrest. Well, talking about life in prison, Sonny's nightmare did not end. It intensified. He survived brutal attacks, lost his father, and battled depression. At one point, he even tried to take his own life, but through every struggle, clung to hope, believing that one day justice would prevail. And years later, advanced DNA test proved he was not involved. But courts dismissed the evidence, saying he should have tested earlier, even when the technology was not available. It wasn't until 2025 that a judge finally vacated his sentence after reviewing new evidence. After 8,395 days, 22 years and 8 days, Sonny walked free. But his scars run deep, and his story is a powerful warning about how easily justice can be denied. Well, today at 51, Sonny is rebuilding his life. He's reconnecting with family, enjoying the small freedoms, writing books, and advocating for other wrongfully convicted individuals. He's a beacon of resilience. His message is simple but powerful, that never ever give up hope. Even in the darkest moments, believe that better days are ahead. Well, Sonny's story is more than a personal tragedy. It is a wake-up call for immigrants everywhere, especially Indians striving to build a life abroad. It reminds us that vigilance, community support, and advocacy are crucial. If this story touched you, then like, share, and comment. And also let me know what gives you hope in tough times. Let's spread awareness and stand together for justice. Thanks for staying tuned to Immigration Talk Show. See you next time.